Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. As usual, I'm Bill, your Drunken Sailor. I want to take a minute and thank the few new subscribers we got this week. They looked at that button up there in the corner and hit it. For all you that have returned to see us again, have you asked one of your friends, have they subscribed? Tell them about the channel and let's get some people watching our cocktails. Tonight we're going to make a cocktail that's really pretty refreshing and got a lot of vibrant, exotic flavors, kind of like the Soho district in Tokyo. Tonight's cocktail is called the Japanese Soho. So let's get pouring. The first thing that we're going to do is ice up our martini glass. So we're going to take one of those, we're going to put some crushed ice in it, and just set that off to the side so that it chills. Now we're going to take our shaker, and we are going to start with 4 ounces of lemonade. Our first liqueur going in there is Soho's Lychee Liqueur. Lychee is an Asian fruit. It's really exotic flavor to it. It's going to tie that Asian theme to this cocktail, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. We're going to use 1/2 ounce. The next ingredient is vodka, 3/4 ounce. And you can use any brand of vodka that you like, whatever your choice is. Tonight we're using Grey Goose. Now our next ingredient is going to bring the sweet into this cocktail, and that's Blue Curacao. The Blue Curacao is also going to represent the vibrant, colorful nightlife that's known in the Soho district. And we're only going to use 1/4 ounce in there, just enough to give us a little bit of color in there. We're going to ice up our shaker. Give it a good shake. Look at it, that color, that's just pretty. And now that we have our chilled glass, we're going to get rid of that ice in there, and we are going to pour that cocktail. The only thing left to do is give it that little bit of pizzazz in there, and we're going to garnish with the lemon wheel. And there you have the Japanese Soho. Cheers, everyone.